Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to discuss how to fix Instagram chat theme option not showing. For example, chat theme is available on Instagram DM. For example, here you can see that there is option available. If you have already started conversation with the person and you have already used the chat theme feature, then you can easily got that. But if you do not get that feature, which means chats is not available, then how you can get that? For this, what you have to do, for example, you have to simply uh, open a chat, and after that you have to simply go to the chat profile, and after that here you have to simply click on theme, and you can select any kind of chat theme from here on Instagram which is available. If it's not available to you, then what you can do, you can simply close the Instagram app, and after that you have to simply press and hold the Instagram app. You have to simply click on app info, and here you have to simply clear. First of all, you have to do force stop here, and after that you have to simply clear the cache and storage. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to check whether you have an updated version of the Instagram or not. If it is not an updated version, then what you have to do, you have to simply search for the Instagram on Play Store, and you have to simply update your Instagram, and after that you have to wait for some time so that you can also get that theme feature in your Instagram app. But if you have already get that feature and it is not showing, then you can simply report that problem to Instagram team in report a problem, and they will solve that problem for you. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.